Hey everyone, welcome to Trading Temple. From here, we're going to get started. Let's talk about ICP, the Internet Computer Protocol. And here you can clearly see the current price of the cryptocurrency Internet Computer. ICP, which is also known as Definity, has a substantial circulating supply of 536 million coins currently available in the market. Its present trading price is approximately $5.13, and these are some of the most reputable and widely used exchanges where you can conveniently purchase ICP. On TradingView, you can also find detailed charts and analytical tools to help with your trading decisions. The ICP price chart looks like this right now, presenting a clear visual. When this particular coin initially entered the market, its price was approximately $627, and from that point on, its price consistently kept dropping until it eventually reached its absolute all-time low. Around September 15, 2023, the price point was precisely $2.91, and according to my detailed estimate, if you are actively looking for significantly lower targets on a much shorter time frame, it would be highly beneficial to consider switching to the 4-hour time frame for a more granular analysis. The current price of ICP right now, as of March the 3rd, is precisely $25. It's been consistently moving within a clearly defined range. The absolute bottom of this particular trading range has been established at precisely $4.16, and conversely, the very top of this range has been firmly set at $6.36. For an extended period of approximately 154 days now, the cryptocurrency ICP has been steadily and predictably moving between these two significant numerical values, demonstrating a consistent pattern of price action. And whether that's good or bad, we have to wait and see what happens. If ICP breaks this range to the upside, that's very positive, but if it breaks to the downside, ICP's situation wasn't very risky. On the 1-hour time frame, we can see that the price has clearly moved to a strong support level, and this support level coincides with Bitcoin also being at support right now, and the total market bottoms are also at support. This might potentially give ICP a significant bounce, and if we carefully look again at the 4-hour time frame, if this current price decisively breaks through, it will quite quickly go up to an impressive 6.30 and then make a noticeable pullback. It will retest, and in its very next significant move, it will go up to 975. Because in this area, there are a lot of gaps. When this price goes up and breaks the range, there's a 90% chance it will do a back test, and if it pulls back here during that back test, the next move to 970 will be easy. And from the current market price, which is precisely $5.15, a notably significant figure, it possesses the substantial potential to almost achieve an impressive increase of 90%, representing a truly considerable upward movement from its present valuation. These were the short-term targets. Now, if we want to look at the long-term targets, just like I mentioned in the new protocol video, we always need to check the market cap chart for coins that have inflation and release new coins into the market monthly. You should analyze their market cap chart the same way. I drew 2 Fibonacci retracements because the all-time highs of ICP aren't very accurate and can't be pinpointed exactly. I marked the ICP top in this area and took the lowest price of the market. ICP is right here, as you can see, and during the move it had in 2022, ICP went as far as it went up to the 70.2% Fibonacci level, and from there the price dropped again, falling by nearly 80%. And if we draw a Fibonacci retracement from this part, from the bottom of this part, we can find it. Let's see where the long-term targets will take us, will reach. As I mentioned, Fibonacci levels are very important in cryptocurrency, and this 2.618 extension is very significant, which coincides with the 1.618, showing us something important. From the current price to that level, it's nearly a 600% increase. The next target, which is target 2, falls between the 2.618 and 4.236 levels, which is a 1000% increase. This is called the full extension. This is for the correction or crash that we had, and for the third target as well. Full extension for the entire move from the top to the bottom, which is 4.236, amounts to a 1600% increase. Now, if we apply these price projections, let's see where this takes us on the ACP chart. In the very first target at a significant 600% brings us to around $37, which perfectly matches with a strong historical resistance level right here. The very next target at a substantial 1000% takes us right to another very important. It goes right up to a resistance level, and that's exactly the beauty of this setup, because it means the price will... We anticipate reaching this specific area at a price point of 57, the ultimate and final target representing a substantial gain of 1600% ultimately brings us to a valuation of approximately $88. In this area, there really needs to be a lot of hype around ICP for it to reach this percentage. And that's truly it. These were indeed the short-term and also the long-term targets that we aim to achieve. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch my video today, and please don't forget to subscribe or like this content. This is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. Until the next video, goodbye.